Meet Liquid Flow, a high-performance interactive fluid simulation for Framer. Today, I'll show you how to customize every detail of this WebGL powerhouse using the property panel. First up, branding. Toggle brand colors to move away from random hues and use your own palette. You can add up to 8 custom colors that cycle in sequence. Adjust the intensity slider to find the perfect balance between subtle background motion and vibrant pops of color. To keep your site alive even when the user isn't moving, use autoplay. You can control the interval and the number of splats per burst. On the live site, users can even play with the physics using keyboard shortcuts. Press space for random splats or use the arrow keys to cycle through the color spectrum. Now, let's talk performance. With sim and die resolution, you can scale the quality from low to ultra depending on your project's needs. Under physics, you have total control. Increase the curl for a chaotic, swirling look, or adjust the brush size and force to change how the fluid reacts to mouse and touch movements. Use color and motion fade to determine how quickly the trails dissipate into the background. The real magic happens in the visuals section. Toggle shading for a 3D surface effect or enable transparency to layer the fluid over images or text. For that premium glow, use the bloom settings. Tweak the intensity and threshold to create a cinematic aura. Finally, add Sunrays to generate volumetric light beams that scatter across your canvas. Liquid Flow is lightweight, 60 FPS, and fully responsive. Copy the URL, paste it into Framer, and transform your hero sections today. Reach out at the email below for support. Happy designing!